What's good? Welcome back to Evanera TV. I am your host, Evanera. Today I'm showing you an amazing magic trick that you can do at home with a standard deck of cards. So without further ado, here's how to win at poker every single time. Here's a fun card trick that you can do at your next poker game. So this can be done with any deck of cards. You can actually borrow a deck of cards to do this, spread them out on the table, say look, they're all different, they're all mixed up, or you can even shuffle them just like this, give them a quick mix. Okay, so you're gonna deal out 5 hands of 5-card draw. All right, let's take a look at a couple of the hands. So we've got ace high in this hand, possibility for a straight maybe if we drew these 2 cards and they ended up being a queen and a 10. In this hand, wow, nice. We've got 3 of a kind 5s, trip 5s, that's awesome. We've also got the potential for a flush. It's a really good hand actually. Over here, pair of 4s, decent hand, but let's see if we can use magic to make our hand a little bit better. So gather up these cards and let's deal the hand again. So we'll take the cards and let's deal them out. 5-card draw, deal the cards out just like this. Now if you're playing poker with a magician, one thing you want to be aware of is they have sleight of hand skills. So they might use that sleight of hand to change the outcome of the game. Let's see, in this hand we don't really have much. We have a queen high and the possibility of a straight. In this hand over here, same thing, queen high, not a lot going on. Over here, got a pair of 4s, same as last time. And in this hand, really just king high. But let's see what hand I dealt myself right here. If you look, we have the ace of spades, the king of spades, the queen of spades, the jack of spades, and the 10 of spades, giving me a royal flush, the absolute best hand in poker. I'll teach you the secret behind doing this yourself every single time right now. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple. I'll teach you how it's done right now. So you can perform this with a borrowed deck, and all you have to do is collect the ace, king, queen, jack, and 10 of any suit. I prefer spades because you're going to make a royal flush. So you go through the deck, you collect these cards casually, and you're just going to move them to the top of the deck, just like that. So super simple setup. You just have the 5 cards of the royal flush right there on top of the deck. This is the best hand in poker, the royal flush, the suited ace, king, queen, jack, and 10 of spades. So this is the absolute best hand you can get, so you will win every single time. So we're going to start out with this on top of the deck. Now I have to preface this with do not use this to actually cheat at poker. This is just a fun card trick. You can then show the cards like this, spread them out and say look, they're all different, as long as you don't spread all the way over here at the end and show your cards at the top. Then gather them back up. Now you can give them a couple false shuffles, just making sure that you keep the cards on top of the deck right there from getting shuffled, and shuffle these a few times. So you've done a couple false shuffles. You still have your royal flush right here on top of the deck. Now all you have to do is deal out 5 hands of cards. Now you've dealt out the 5 hands of cards. You're gonna go through each stack of cards and kind of talk about each one of the hands. Maybe there's a pair in each hand. You're gonna kind of talk about poker and how the cards are really random and it can be any combination of things. Maybe there's a potential for a straight or a flush in one of the hands. There's another pair over here. What you're not going to show the audience and what you might notice is this, that each one of the bottom cards of the different respective hands are the different cards of the royal flush. That works perfectly for the next part of the trick, which is to gather up the piles of the cards. So this is a face up version of what we're doing right here. I'm going to turn the cards face down just so you know each one of the cards is on the bottom of each pile. Turn them face down, and now all you have to do is gather up the piles, making sure to keep them in order. And now all you have to do is deal the cards again. You could do another false shuffle if you wanted to with these cards, and then all you have to do is deal the cards out again into 5 piles, like 5 poker hands, and it will automatically sort the 5 cards of the royal flush into your hand just like that. Self-working card trick, super cool. Try that at home, impress your friends and family. It requires no sleight of hand skill whatsoever, and it really doesn't require a lot of practice. All you have to do is have these cards on the top of the deck, deal 5-card poker hands, gather up the cards in stacks, and then deal 5-card poker hands again, and it works for you. It's really cool. And that is the secret of the magic royal flush trick. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone else who you think might like it. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 decks of standard bicycle playing cards, 5 autographed decks to 5 lucky comments in the comments section down below. You can leave as many comments as you want. In fact, the more comments you leave on this video, the better your chances of winning some autographed cards. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. If you're new to the channel and you want to explore more cool magic secrets like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and and tap your notification bell so you see all of our videos. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Be sure to send me an email to this email address on the screen. It's evanaratv.giveaways@gmail.com. Include your full mailing address and the video that you won your prize in. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and leave those comments in the comment section down below. Alright guys, if you missed the last episode of Evanera TV, it's right over there. You can catch up, watch it right there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. The vlog channel's down there too. Subscribe to that as well, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.